Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Tuesday, March 4th, 2025, covering market moves in technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech sector indexes show broad weakness today. The Nasdaq 100 and the Nasdaq Composite Index both fell 73.5 and 65.2 points respectively. Both indexes are experiencing strong downward volatility and negative trends for the past week. Market breadth shows significant weakness. The Nasdaq Composite had over 3 times as many declining stocks as advancing ones. The technology sector showed similar weakness, with 555 declines versus 136 advances. Looking at returns, the healthcare sector stands out with a 7.45% year-to-date gain, while the technology sector has declined 7.66% over the same period. The tech-heavy indexes are showing negative returns across all time frames. Among top performers, MicroStrategy led with a 9.6% gain, rising 24.23 points. Marvell Technology and Zscaler followed with gains of 2.9% and 2.6% respectively, despite the broader market weakness. Looking at returns, Zscaler shows the strongest year-to-date performance with a 7.4% gain. Meanwhile, Marvell Technology and Datadog are both down about 20% for the year. Among declining stocks, Intel led losses, dropping 1.41 points or 6.2%. AppLovin fell 2.9%, while NXP Semiconductors declined 2.4%. Autodesk has closed down 4 consecutive days. In terms of returns, Intel shows the largest weekly decline at 10.1%, though it maintains a 6.4% year-to-date gain. Autodesk continues its downward trend, now down 9.5% for the year. Nasdaq-focused ETFs showed significant downward pressure. QQQ and Vanguard Information Technology both closed lower for the second consecutive day, with strong downward volatility. ProShares Ultra-Short QQQ gained 1.1%, breaking higher after 138 days of consolidation. Week-to-date returns highlight the bearish sentiment, with ProShares Ultra QQQ down 7.5%. ProShares Ultra Short QQQ conversely gained 7.7%. Year-to-date, technology ETFs are showing negative returns across the board, except for the inverse ETF.
Looking at stocks and tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Alphabet gained 3.95 to 172.61, up 2.3%. Microsoft edged up slightly to 388.61 amid strong downward volatility. Amazon and Apple both declined for a second day. Meta Platforms dropped 2.2% to 640. Year-to-date returns show mixed performance. Meta Platforms leads with a 9.3% gain, while other tech giants are showing losses. Alphabet is down 9.4%. Microsoft has fallen 7.8%, and Amazon has declined 7.1%. Among semiconductor stocks, Blaze surged 14.6% to 3.37. New Energy rose 8.7% to 20.24. Navitas Semiconductor gained 6.5%, while Valens Semiconductor and Sealsk each advanced over 5%. Year-to-date performance shows significant volatility in the semiconductor sector. Blaze has declined 77.5%, while Sealsk is down 61%. New Energy shows modest gains of 4.1%. In cloud computing, Block soared 29.8% to 83.46, while Okta jumped 24.2% to 108.31. Scalar gained 2.6%, Alphabet rose 2.3%, and Box added 2.1% in its third consecutive up day. Year-to-date returns in cloud computing show Okta leading with a 37.4% gain. Scalar and Box have modest gains, while Block shows a slight decline of 1.8%. In AI and robotics, Vicarious Surgical led gains, up 7.5% to 10.3%. Symbotic rose 3.8%. Teradyne, ASML Holding, and Yaskawa Electric each gained about 1%. Year-to-date performance in robotics shows ASML Holding and Yaskawa Electric with modest gains around 2–4%. Vicarious Surgical has declined 23.8%, while Teradyne is down 14.8%. In thematic ETFs focused on AI and robotics, Robotics and AI and Automation Bulltwax led with a gain of 0.26 to 21.57. All funds showed upward price movement except AI and Robotics, which fell 0.5 to 31.23, marking its fourth consecutive down day. Strong downward volatility characterizes the sector. Year-to-date returns show significant weakness across the AI and robotics theme. SPEAR Alpha ETF has declined 17.3%, while AI and technology shows the smallest year-to-date loss at just 0.9%. Week-to-date performance indicates continued pressure with all funds down between 2% and 7%. Electric vehicle stocks showed mixed performance today. BYD led gains, rising 1.93 to 89.3, up 2.2%. Li Auto maintained its very strong positive trend. Polestar and Faraday Future remain in consolidation patterns. Year-to-date performance in EV stocks varies dramatically. BYD and Li Auto have posted gains of 31% and 15% respectively. However, Faraday Future has dropped 46%, while Canoo has fallen 74%. Quantum computing stocks showed strength today, led by D-Wave Quantum gaining 8.5% to 5.32. Archer Materials rose 5.1%. TE Connectivity was the outlier, dropping 1.6% to 148.4 in its second consecutive down day. Year-to-date returns reveal challenges in the quantum computing sector. Rigetti Computing has declined 48%, while D-Wave Quantum is down 37%. TE Connectivity shows modest gains of 3.5%. Solar stocks staged a significant rebound today. Sunnova Energy surged 13.6%, while Enphase Energy jumped 9.4% to 57.86. Sunrun and Jinko Solar also posted strong gains of 8.7% and 7.3% respectively. Despite today's gains, solar stocks show steep year-to-date losses. Sunnova Energy has declined 80%, while Sunrun is down 27%. Enphase Energy has fallen 16%, showing relative strength within the sector. Among tech thematic ETFs, cybersecurity funds showed resilience. First Trust Nasdaq Cybersecurity ETF led the group, rising 1.2 to 66.44, up 1.5%. Global X Cybersecurity ETF gained 0.49 to 33.82, while showing some price consolidation over 3 days. Year-to-date returns highlight varying performance. Global X Cybersecurity and First Trust Cybersecurity lead with gains of 5.4% and 4.7% respectively. In contrast, semiconductor ETFs faced challenges, with VanEck Semiconductor and iShares Semiconductor both down over 6% YTD.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.